Are you looking for some help on solving equations? We are going to try a simple example. Let's start with equation 18 equals 2b plus 6. We're going to solve the equation both algebraically or symbolically and also visually. And then you can decide which one works best for you. Let's begin with the algebraic or symbolic method. First of all, we have a number that's doubled, and then when you add 6, you get a total of 18. So let's begin by first taking away 6 from both sides. Anytime you solve an equation, you need to make sure that you do the same thing on both sides to keep the equation balanced. So when we take away 6 from the 18, we end up with 12. And on this side, if we take away 6 from the plus 6, we end up with 2b plus 0. Next, we are going to simplify this last step. Because we're adding a 0 to 2b, the quantity stays the same, and 2b plus 0 is just the same thing as 2b plus 0. The 12 is still the same on the left side. Now, the equation is saying that a number, when it's doubled, we get 12. So we cut both sides in half by dividing by 2. The fraction sign can be used for division. When we cut the 2b in half, we only get 1b. And when we cut the 12 in half, we get 6. So that means that b stands for the number 6. Now, to check the solution, we are going to plug in and substitute the 6 into the b. So we have 18 again, we have 18 equals 2 times, now b, we're going to substitute that with the number 6. Add 6, and let's see if this statement is correct. So we don't know yet whether it's correct or not. Following the order of operations, we start with multiplication on the right side of the equation. So we multiply 2 times 6, that's 12, and then add 6. Is that going to equal 18? 2 plus 6 is indeed 18, so we now know that we have the correct answer. Now, how about solving it visually? 18. So we have the number 18. Is that going to equal 2 times b? In this case, we're going to represent the b with a box. So each box represents a b. And then add to that the quantity of 6. So think of this as being a scale where the 18 is balanced with 2 b's and 6. So what we're going to do is remove 18. We are going to remove 6 from both sides. So take away 6 from here and take away 6 from here. If we are going to reduce the 18 by 6, we end up with 12. And on our scale, we have 12 on one side that are being balanced by 2 b's on the right side. Now, if 2 b's equal 12, that means that 1b by itself would have to be half of it, or half of the 12. So that means that 1b equals half of 12, which is 6. And that's the same solution that we had when we solved the equation algebraically.